if your browser history got deleted by mistake. In this video, we'll see step by step how you can easily recover it. Before we start, make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. So like always, let's start from the beginning. First of all, open the Gmail app. Once Gmail is open, go to your profile in the top right corner. In your profile, go to Manage your Google account. After entering your Google account, go to the Data and Privacy option. Now, if you scroll down, you will find the option Download your data. This lets you make a copy of all your Gmail and Google account data. You can save it to your device or move it to another service. Inside Download your data, first select Deselect All. Then scroll down and select only the Chrome option. After selecting Chrome, scroll down and press the Next Step button. On the next page, you have to adjust some settings. First settings is destination. This decides where your copied data will be sent. You can choose email link, Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or Box. Next is frequency. This controls how often your data export is created. You can choose either a one-time export or exports every 2 months for a year. After that, file type and size. You can choose the backup format, e.g. .zip or .tgz. You can also set the maximum file size before Google splits it into multiple files. After set everything, press Create Export. Once the export process is done, you'll get an email from Google. Open that email. At the bottom of the email, you'll see the option Manage Google Takeout Request. Press on it quickly. Inside Google Takeout, press the Download button. Google may ask you for your PIN or password. Just enter it. Finally, your file will be downloaded. After downloading, open the file with an app that can unzip it and check the folder. That's it. Your Chrome browsing history will be there. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like the video.